Hi everyone, in this video I'm having some LED strips and one bigger, and I will power them with the microwave transformer as usual. So with which one should I start? I will choose this small one for why not for first. So yeah, if you're liking these videos, please let me know by commenting, sharing, like and subscribing to my channel. And let's see how this thing will perform, and don't try to do this at home, for it's not safe at all to play with this kind of high voltage. But here I think I know what I'm doing. So let's see. Okay, this one was short. But actually it was kind of a good reaction, since it have a metal plate on the back side. For, as you can see here, it have metal plate, so I'm guessing that one of these pins is connected to that part and the other one arched here and melted the copper conductor. So I will start with these ones now, and from these ones I'm not sure what to expect. They are pretty cheap, as you can see here. This PCB is very thin, and yeah, I'm not even knowing how to power on them, so maybe I should take my rocks again. Okay, one rock on each terminal, so let's see what can happen. And by the way, I'm using just 2 kilovolts to do this. Actually, just one single microwave transformer. I don't think it's needed more. Okay, the reaction was kind of short. So I'm guessing that it's not the best idea to place the both terminals, the both contacts here, just in one side. Oh my gosh, it's broken. It is broken now. So let's see the damage that occurred during this. Okay, first thing first, the cables actually connected to this thing. For this, for here was some soldering, and now the PCB is melted. I don't know. Oh no, already these are popped. So this one is already popped. I will try with another one, but this time I will use one connector here and one here to see what will happen. Okay, this one should be more clear even to you guys. So let's see what this one does. Okay, these things are really a mess. Okay, and that's just my cable destroying. So yeah, here is the board destroying, and these things also are destroyed by this video. So yeah, this thing is not good. Let's see now the damage. Oh my gosh, as I said from the first place, the board is so cheap that actually breaks like this into this scenario, but no one should use them like me. So yeah, I have another two, so I will try to do it more quicker. For I'm guessing that it's just a waste of time to do it with just one, unless the reaction is the same. So I want to see on a bigger surface. Okay, now I have them kinda connected together, and let's see now what's the reaction. And the smell is horrible, so don't do this. Let's see. Oh no. This is not good. This is clearly not good. The transformer is arching through the ground, which means I better stay isolated from the ground. Okay, for I don't know how, but it arches between the surface, which means that here should be another connection done. Okay, I connected it in that part, so maybe it will work now. Probably that's because it rained a bit, and probably there is humidity in the ground. For my transformer cables now are kind of surrounded by some humidity. I don't know why, but just on them. Yeah. So probably not the best idea to do this now, but yeah. Okay, it's arching too bad on the ground. That bad, the LEDs almost don't light. So what I should do now? Actually, firstly, to inspect this board, for they are not receiving. Oh my gosh, look at this, it's like black mold. But these stripes are not even the same, but I will try to leave this on the both of them to see if I will can make a continuity between these boards. If I cannot, I will just take one by one, and that's it. Yeah, I probably can't, and I'm having a feeling that these boards are kind of isolated from each other. So okay, here I'm having between that diodes, so it should work. If this will don't work, I will choose to put it directly on diodes. And again it's arching, but I don't want it to arch. So maybe I can do something about it. I will take the connector from here on LED, and also I will take the transformer, which is very hot and it will be hard for me, to another place without humidity, or for now without humidity. And now let's see how this thing will work, but now to make the ensure thing, I will put it here. Now let's see. Oh, it's even worse. Now even the cables from the transformer are moving. Even the output, not only input. And I'm having a feeling that, oh, these are the brackets. Okay, so I'm guessing that I need to blow them one by one. Seriously? Okay, it's soldered here, but unless I can do something about it, it's useless. this was a decent amount of surprise. They popped. Nothing but popped. And if I'm looking to this one is again popped, so I don't think I have much things to try on it, but I will actually try to connect it, one on this side and the other one on the opposite side, but I don't promise anything. I just want to see how it is arching. Yeah, I like this. Okay, here is dust, black dust here, and I don't like that. And now my ground is destroyed by these things, but the reaction was amazing. I'm thinking that this board, yeah, it's hot, very hot. I can't touch it. But I want to show to you how this is looking now. And by the way, this is what high voltage do also to you, so don't play with it. And now for the last part, I will do something with this bigger one, which should be more interesting, right? Okay, now let's see what this thing does. Nothing very special from what I see. Kind of disappointing. Now we should see another pop. Or maybe not. So I think that's all. Yeah. Nothing very impressive. But for some LED stripes, they are kinda dusty and smoky. And I don't like that, and I think this isn't good either. Not only I just dislike it. And now I will need to clean the surface. And how I done it in the last video, now after everything it's burnt, I want to show you the cleaning process, for why not? Okay, I kinda left the connectors on its own, and I can see that these cables are also warm, but the circuit breaker is more warm, and the contacts are actually almost hot, even these ones. So I need to improve this thing if I want to do this more. I need to improve that thing to have greater contacts while doing this. And now I don't know if I should disassemble this thing again. Maybe I will just put the cables on the transformer. Let me show you. Like this. Okay, and this transformer is now hot, so I will need to leave it to cool down. And here I need to wash now. Okay, so let's see if this black dust, black smoke, or what it is, will come off from the ground. Probably not. And that's not good either for these ones. Or again, even, oh, this one seems to be cleaned now, which is kind of good. Okay, this one cleans a bit, which is very good. So maybe if I will insist even on that once, that misery will come off. Or maybe not. Even on my hand I am having that problem. Let's see this one. And now I need to repair this. But firstly, yeah. Okay, let me try to find something to wash here. Okay, this seems to me like it's something sticky, and don't seems like I will get rid of it soon, so yeah, bye.